Sugar nakaslem jong Donlang Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubak Prestone tensong haba jubab ya ke jingberngam ke BJP ban Phah tokit ke Enforcement Directorate ba Central Bureau of Investigation haba ya dei ba ke jingkeno bamsam ulaong kumba ka pau menta ke seng BJP kumba keno kiwei ki seng san perthai ka pendon kam da ke ED ba ke CBI ban yo jing metoy ha ke election ulaong ba ke BJP ka le politik ya ke ni ban ya da ya la dia ulaong ru ba ke BJP ke de ban wan ra shwa ya ke ED ba ke CBI ba kan tokit baru labu ke Kylli Balei banweng na Sorkar lada kisngo khuj.
MDA government, what do you have to say?
I have nothing to say on that since I think this allegation made this long time back. So I really don't know. That's what I'm telling you. I fully endorse whatever the statement made by our President State Unit NPP, Dr. Kylli. So I also wanted to add here that it seems BJP now prove very clearly, as alleged by be it APP, be it TMC, they are using, it seems, ED or CBI as their political tool. So I also endorse very, very strongly the statement made by our State Unit President, Dr. Kylli.
So when they are also part of the MDA government, so do you think that it is fair that they will also be spared by, the so-called ED and the CBI because they are also part of the MDA?
Yeah, they are part of the MDA, but I think this is a political gimmick created by the, by the so-called high command of the BJP, or maybe it is in the capacity of his own views that I really don't know. But the way the allegation made from time to time is found to be a political gimmick. No, for this one I'm not surprised. They keep saying that. I think 3 months back, 4 months back, they did keep saying this. Okay, so it is purely a political gimmick. No, the stand of the MDA government under the leadership of Sorkar, my stand is very clear again. If they want to pull out of the MDA government, we welcome that. But it seems it's already late. These people, I think they wanted first to play safe in their line of thinking. Play safe, they'll pull out, then after that they'll put ED and CBI, which I think people understand their mindset. The way the statement made by so-called in charge of the state, Meghala, he said immediately we'll send out, we'll pull out of the government, and then ED and CBI will come. In fact, I would like to advise him, why not you first then ask ED, ask CBI to be in place? Why should you unnecessarily pull out yourself? If you are so clean, if you are so, if you are just like a saint, if that is the case, why do you have to pull out and then again send the CBI or the ED? What is this? That's what I'm telling you. I just call it, this is purely a political gimmick.